Welcome to Finan Simple, where money is made easy. And in today's video, you will find out how to get free PayPal money in 2022. What do you have to do? Simply visit youtube.com, where you may find a variety of videos, watch them, and that's it. If you want to be eligible to win $10 for each video you watch on YouTube, you must watch at least 30 seconds. You will be able to see exactly how much money you can make using this method for free for each YouTube video you watch. There are even actual payment proofs from viewers around the world for all the videos they have seen. So, imagine watching one YouTube video can earn you $10, watching 10 films can earn you $100, and watching 30 videos per day can earn you up to $300. The good news is that you can keep making money by repeating this process as frequently as you'd like. All you need is a smartphone or computer for this. So, what are you waiting for? Let's get started. First step, click the sign in button in the top right corner of the screen to fully access YouTube. If you don't have one, simply click New Account and choose For Myself. You can then create a free Google account and a YouTube account from there. When you log into your YouTube account, one thing you'll notice is that on the left-hand side is a section called The Best of YouTube, which will display the top videos from each of several categories, including music, sports, gaming, movies, and news. You will want to click on Gaming, which will take you to a page under the category of Gaming. Many of the hundreds of millions of people who watch those gaming videos on YouTube are unaware of the fact that they have the potential to make a ton of free money. Today, though, you learn of a method that, like the one some people use to regularly earn $10 for each video they view, may make you free PayPal money in a matter of minutes. This method of getting free PayPal money is completely legal and cost-free. Every country has access to YouTube, therefore you can utilize it from anywhere in the globe to make free PayPal money. Now, let's say you pick your first video, which is a video about Minecraft. The first bonus tip would be to consider using that game since it is one of the most well-known games which can definitely earn you a lot. The second website is where you must go in order to get free PayPal money. If you explore it further, you will believe it's working because individuals are earning $10 for continuously watching videos on that website. You can shorten URLs on that website and earn free PayPal money with them. Not a lot of people are currently talking about this method, and this gives you an opportunity to make a lot of free PayPal money if you watch this video all the way to the end. The concept behind the website, which goes by the name 7r6.com, is pretty simple. All you have to do to shorten several URL links for various YouTube videos. But of course, you first have to sign up for a free account. After that, you can now get free PayPal money for each and every video you make, and it will be explained in detail shortly. So, how does it function? When you go to a video, the share button can be found immediately below the video if you're watching some YouTube videos. The YouTube video link will then be copied once you click the copy button. Now, go to 7r6.com and paste the URL into the given box. That's it. Pretty easy, right? Now, you simply press the button after pasting the URL, and the website will help you change the lengthy YouTube URL into a shorter one that pays you each time someone clicks on it. That's precisely how a lot of individuals on the website are earning a sizable sum of money from that website. When you reach a certain amount, you can finally withdraw it using a lot of payment methods, including PayPal, Bitcoin, Web Money, Perfect Money, or Payeer. Now, to further explain the process, simply go back to the homepage of 7r6.com and click the sign up link in the upper right corner. This will direct you to a page where you may register for a completely new membership that is open to everyone in the world and is free to join up for. After entering your username, email address, and password, and checking the boxes next to the Terms of Use and Privacy policy, you simply have to click the Register button. As you successfully register a new account and log in, navigate your dashboard and select New Shortened Link in the top left-hand corner of the page to immediately get started. Step number 3, to shorten the links to your YouTube videos and make free PayPal money, copy and paste them from there. All that's left to do is go back to your YouTube video, select Share, and copy the URL link. Then, come back to your dashboard and paste that link into the given box there. You then want to put Minecraft, which is the title of the video, under the alias. Finally, you just want to click the abbreviated button. Next, you can then go back to YouTube and carry out steps 1 through 3 for as many as 3 different videos. If you duplicate and shorten the URLs of more YouTube videos, you can earn more free PayPal money. The next extra tip you should know about is to focus solely on live streaming videos since you can earn a lot of free PayPal money by doing this. Let's say you click on a video to access another live streaming video. Then, you will go through the procedure once more by selecting the share option, hitting copy, and then pasting the URL at the second website. The second URL link should then be pasted into the box on your URL shortening page. For step number 4, you'll want to go to the website steamcommunity.com. That is a gaming website or platform where lots of players talk about different gaming strategies. There are numerous conversations going on right now about the video game Minecraft. With the aid of 7r6.com, this will be your best opportunity to capitalize on that trend and earn plenty of free PayPal money from all of those YouTube videos. You will see from that website that the game is being discussed by many individuals from all over the world. Millions and millions of people view it daily since it is currently trending. You can share your shortened URL from 7r6.com into the community by posting about Minecraft or another well-known game in the Steam community after creating a free account there. As a result, a lot of people will click on your link to watch the associated YouTube video, generating a lot of free PayPal money for you with each click. One video might bring in hundreds of thousands of dollars for you. You're going to be able to earn 3 times as much money. That's a win. Another bonus, which may actually kind of be like a secret, is to go onto a private website. The secret website's domain name is moot.us. It is mostly a forum where players of the video game Minecraft may be found. On the website, other users also post pictures and videos relating to games. Thousands of people have watched numerous videos of Minecraft gameplay. You could get hundreds of thousands of hits and make a sizable internet income if you copy the URL to one of the live streaming videos. Simply make a template and submit it in the Steam community or the moot.us forum. Your shortened link will then get a lot of clicks from there, which will bring in a lot of money for you. The way you make your template for a call to action may affect how many clicks you get, so make sure you create one that will grab their attention. After that, simply go back to your 7r6 dashboard, copy the link there, then come back to your template and paste the link where it is shown. Now, all you have to do is duplicate the entire template you made and post it on the 2 websites. Since those specific game-related videos are currently watching on with a lot of trends and are quite popular, you don't need to put in a lot of effort. That is the exact method through which a lot of individuals can earn a lot of free PayPal money for each video they watch. Always stay focused on learning and developing discipline. Get educated, make a plan, and stay the course. If you found this informative, smash the like button, please share it with a friend, comment down below, and let us know what would you like to have made Finan simple next. And definitely subscribe so you don't miss new content. Keep your head up, ears open, and always search for knowledge. See you soon!